What's going on, guys? Today I want to share with you one of the most powerful Jifu scanners, which we call the trend wave, the trend wave scanner. So, first of all, how does the trend wave scanner works? As you can be able to see here, we have your 30. Maybe you can even shift to gold because I realize 90% of the people love trading gold. And I want to show you how you can be able to capitalize on this scanner to be able to leverage the market. So how does it work? The first thing what it does is it gives you your entries. Let's reduce this to here so that you can have a wider look at the chart. It gives you your entries, as you can be able to see here. It gives you your entries. It gives you your target 1, target 2, target 3, all the way up to TP5, and then it gives you a stop loss. Okay, so the reason why I love this scanner is because take a look at this. For example, if you take a look at the entry as a short position there, and you take a look at where the stop loss is, ideally up to TP5, you'll be able to notice that this is a risk to reward of 2.91. Okay, so the beauty about this is it actually shows you where to secure your profit. So, for example, if price hits TP1, you reduce your trade to the to entry. After it hits it after it hits take profit 2, you reduce your stop loss. After it hits take profit 2, you reduce your stop loss. After it hits take profit 3, you actually bring your stop loss there. So the good thing about it is you can actually it gives you the zones of securing, which makes it to be one of the safest way to actually scan the market and get sales from it. So, for example, let's take a look at how exactly do you use it. For that, at the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to get access to it. So we're going to be looking at each and every time that it gave a buy signal. So for example, here we can be able to see it was above our EMA. So after being above our EMA, it was able to give a long signal here. Hope you can be able to see this as a long signal here, which was a buy. So let's assume the entries that it gave you were here, and let's assume that the stop loss was just below this. So this trade was able to give us this move only from here. Let's take a look at it. It was able to give us a move, a 1:, take a look at that, a 1:3.5 move. Okay, let's take a look at somewhere else whereby it meets all our entry points. For example, here we can be able to see it was below our zone, but it didn't give our short indicator. It did not give us our sell. Let's take a look at here also. It was above, but it didn't give us the buy, so we couldn't take it. Aha. Now we have somewhere else. Okay, it was below our EMA, and then it gave us the short. It gave us the short signal. So after giving us the short signal here, you can be able to see, capitalize on this trade. Our stop loss being just above this zone here, you can be able to see it went all the way. How many pips? Risk to reward was actually a 1:4. Okay, this was a 1:4. Let's take a look at somewhere else. So here, for example, this is a signal to avoid. You can be able to see it is giving us a short, but our EMA is above, so we do not take a look at that. So here we have another one here. Our EMA is above, and it was able to give us a long. So for example, here, if we could have participated into this buy, our stop loss would just have been below our EMA here. So you can be able to see also this, it was able to move up a 1:2. Okay. So the win rate of this scanner is very high, very high. Take a look at this. It was able to give us a short signal. After giving us a short signal, here's a short signal. And guess what, guys? During this time, like for example, here I'm just back testing, but what it does after giving you a short there, it was below. This was able to go through a 1:3. Okay, so what happens here, guys, is you see Right now, it's not giving us the entries. But if you're a beginner and you don't know how to trade, all you just need to do is wait for this to be below, get into a buy, and then it will be able to give you such entries. It will be able to give you your entry. Like, for example, here on gold, when markets open, you can expect this to be a good sell from this zone, okay? Because you can be able to see EMA is above, all right? So we have been able to get a short indicator, which is here, which is telling us to get into the sell. So after giving us a short sell, you can be able to see here is the entry. So after having the entry here, you can be able to see that our stop loss is here. So we can capitalize on this move, guys. At we should give us at least a 1:2, okay, when the markets open. So if you want to know how you can be able to get access to it, just go on the description below. You'll be able to see a link there, and the link will be able to guide you on how you can be able to get access to this amazing AI. So we usually combine this scanner with what we call the trend wave scanner, okay, what we call the trend wave scanner, the killer shot scanner. So the kill shot here is, for example, with gold, it will give you the price direction of gold. Okay. So what you just need to do here is just come and confirm what is the general price direction. For example, here for the sell, you can be able to see M15 and M30 is we are going for the sells. H4 and daily, it's an uptrend. So you can be able to make your decision based on the trend that is being given here. If you take a look at US30, you'll be able to see like everything we are just looking for. Sales everywhere. Okay. M5, you're going up. M15, you're going up. M30, we are going up. So if you go to the trend wave, you can be able to look at the buying, the buying, the buying, the buying. Okay, you can be able to see now here it is above here, M30, M15, we're up, so you can be able to look at buying. Right. So that's how we combine these tools, and that's how you're able to become very, very profitable in the market. Makes our work very easy for a beginner. You don't need to start drawing lines. Trying to figure out it has broken this zone, it has done this, all these things, everything is done for you. All you just need to do is plug and play. Click your button and get into your trade and become profitable. Hey, I'm going to be seeing you on the inside. Click the link in the description to be able to know how it works and have a good time.